Welcome. In front of me is a Redmi Note 10 Lite, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now this will allow you to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you just don't remember. As you can see, I do have a pattern set, and I'll progress from here as though I don't know it. So number one, I'm going to hold the power key and select power off. Once the phone turns off, hold power and volume up at the same time. Now I'm doing this, I'm going to quickly mention that by performing this kind of method or reset, the device will become FRP locked. And what that means is throughout, once the process is finished, when you go into the setup, you'll need to verify either the screen lock or the Google account that was signed in on this device. I'll be also making a video on how you can bypass this if you're interested in that, but that will be in the next video. Now, once we're in here, obviously you want to let go of the power key and volume up. If it went a little bit further like it did for me, just using volume keys, you want to select to go back, and power key confirms that option. And in here, we're going to select wipe data, wipe all data, confirm, give it a second to finish up, and then power key, power key, power key, and this will now initiate a reboot, continue the process in the background, and once it's finished, we will be then presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. Now, as you can see, the process is finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.